Hi guys, today we are making stir-fry ChoySum. The ingredients are 2 bunch of ChoySum, light soy sauce, 4 garlic, and a piece of chilli. Once the wok is heated up, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add the garlic, stir it for a bit, and add the chilli. And you can stir the chilli and garlic until it turns slightly golden brown. And now we add all of the ChoySum and stir it well with the garlic and chilies. Then add about a half teaspoon of salt. After that, a drizzle of soy sauce. Stir it well and then close the lid for about 5 minutes. And then it's ready to be served. Stir-fry ChoySum goes really well with fish curry. You can check it out in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks! See you in the next video.